Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add your company address to QuickBooks Online. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add your company address on your QuickBooks Online. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. In order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to QuickBooks Online. Then on the upper right hand corner, you want to click on this gear icon. And then you want to click on Account and Settings. Once you click on Account and Settings, you want to go ahead and scroll down to where it says Business Address, which is this prompt right over here, and then click on Edit. So once you click on Edit, you'll be able to input your business address and then click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your business address to QuickBooks Online. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.